Hello, hello, hello! Magandang umaga, tanghali, hapon, gabi sa inyo pong lahat. Good morning, good evening, to all of you all over the world who are watching us.
Ganon din po ako sa inyong lahat.
Hey everyone, welcome back. My name is Molette Aranza, and this is
Ian.
And we're husband and wife residing here in Virginia, USA. Pareho po kaming tubong Pilipinas, Kapampangan ko po, Tagalog ya. And thank you for those who are joining us live or on replay. Time check, it's 9:40 in the evening here, PM in the East Coast, where we are. So today we're talking about one of the most important pillars of a successful business, trust. And we titled our live session today as How to Build Trust with Our Audience, the Key to Long-Term Success. We've been working hard to build trust with our audience. And today we're going to share how we've done that and how you can build trust with your own audience too.
That's right. Trust is the foundation of any long-term relationship in business. Without trust, you won't be able to build loyalty, generate sales, or even establish lasting connections. Today, we're going to talk about how we've been able to build trust and how you can measure the trust along the way.
How do you know if you're actually building trust with your audience? We've all heard that consistency, authenticity, and value are key to trust building. But how do we see that trust actually reflected in our business? Today, we'll show you how we measure trust and the signs that prove our efforts are paying off.
Exacto. Trust doesn't just happen overnight. It's something you actively build and see reflected in your audience behavior. And the best part, we'll share some practical signs you can look for to see if you're building trust successfully.
First, we want to share 5 proven strategies to build trust with your audience, because without trust, your message just won't land. First up, be authentic. Show up as your true self. Share your stories and don't be afraid to reveal little vulnerability. People connect with realness, not perfection, and we're not perfect ourselves.
Yes. Next, consistency is key. Whether it's your posting schedules or the message you deliver, make sure your audience knows what to expect from you and when. That's reliability builds confidence over time. Third, engage genuinely, reply to comments, answer questions, and create conversation, not just broadcast. When people feel heard, trust follows naturally.
Number 4, deliver value every time, whether it's tips, entertainment, or inspiration. Make sure your content consistently serves your audience's needs. And lastly, be transparent. If you make a mistake or don't know an answer, say so. Honesty goes a long way in building long-term relationships. This is often overlooked but totally crucial when it comes to building lasting connections with your audience. Transparency. In a world where we're constantly bombarded with content, being open and honest isn't just a nice to have. It's a must have if you want people to stick around.
When you're transparent, you're showing your audience that you're real. No filters, no pretending. Everything perfect all the time. People crave authenticity because it makes them feel like they know the person behind the screen. And once they trust you, they become loyal, not just casual viewers or followers, but true fans who support you in the long run.
Yeah, transparency also builds accountability. If you messed up or make a mistake, owning up to it rather than hiding it shows integrity. Your audience respects that kind of honesty, and it strengthens your relationship with them. Plus, sharing your journey, the highs and the lows, invites your community to be part of your story, making them feel valued and connected. Sorry about our dog. So, in short, be real, be open, and don't be afraid to show the imperfect side of your story. That's where the magic happens. And that's how you create a loyal audience that stays with you no matter what. Keep it transparent, keep it genuine. Try this out and watch your connection with your audience grow stronger than ever. So, next, how do we measure trust? For us, we started by being consistent and authentic in everything we did. We showed up regularly, provided value, and shared our journey with our audience. But the real indicators that trust was building came from how you, our audience, responded. When we see more engagement, like people commenting on our posts, reaching out with questions, and sharing their own experiences, we knew trust was being established.
Exactly. It's not just about what we're saying, it's about how our audience is responding. One of the biggest signs that trust is growing is when people start asking questions, engaging in meaningful conversation, and even making a decision to join our business. That's how we know they trust us enough to take the next step.
And let's not forget the importance of feedback, whether it's a positive comment, a message, or someone sharing their success story with us. Feedback is one of the clearest indicators that you're building trust. We take that feedback seriously and use it to improve that what we're offering.
Here's another big sign of trust. When your audience begins to take action based on what you're sharing, for example, when people start signing up for your emails, attending your webinars, or purchasing your product, it's a clear sign that trust has been established. They're putting their faith in you, and that's powerful.
Yeah, exactly. We've seen this in our business as well. When people start trusting you, they'll take that next step without hesitation. They'll comment, they'll share your content, and they'll start seeing you as a resource. That's when you know the trust is deepening.
And the best part, trust continues to grow as you stay consistent. The more you show up, the more value you provide, and the more transparent you are. The more trust you'll build. It's a cycle that keeps feeding itself.
Mm-hmm. Yep, yep. Now, building trust isn't just about getting immediate results. It's about creating long-term relationships. Trust is something you have to nurture consistently. And while we've seen great responses, we're always striving to do better and give more to our audience because trust is an ongoing process,
That's so
right?
true, yes. And you need to be patient. It takes time to build true trust. But when it
Yes,
starts to
it's
grow,
hard.
you'll see the benefits in your business, relationship, your sales, and your overall success. It's worth every step.
Yes. If you're ready to start building trust with your own audience, we've got a free video that walks you through how to create an authentic trust building strategy for your digital business. Drop a comment below or send us a message and we'll send it right over to you.
Let's start building long term trust with our audience. Focus consistency, authenticity, and value, and you'll see how powerful it can be in growing your business.
Or check the websites that's right in front of you. There's two websites there. One of the top reasons people choose our digital business is that it's franchise style, but without the massive startup cost or overhead. I always state this every time. Sorry about that, but I have to. You're not just buying into a concept, you're stepping into a proven system that's already helped over 200,000 members globally. We're around the world, all over. You get your own automated sales funnel, access to all-in-one digital marketing tools, the ability to tap into multiple income streams so you're not relying on just one source. Step-by-step training that's beginner-friendly and super effective. And the best part, you're never alone. You get unlimited mentorship, coaching, and community support all the way through. Whether you're brand new to online business or looking to scale, this system grows with you. It's real, it's global, and it's working for everyday people just like us.
Don't let your business run you. Take control by implementing automation and start working smarter today. Reach out to us and let's make it happen. At the end of the day, this is about you, your dreams, your goal, your freedom. We're simply here to show you what's possible.
Now, thank you so much for being here today, either live or on replay. If you found this valuable, please like, share, and follow for more tips on growing yourself and your business. Your dream business is within reach. Let's make it happen. We'll be back soon with more insights.
Stay safe, stay inspired, and as we always say, don't just dream about it, build it. God bless you all, and we'll see you again soon.
See you
See you
soon,
soon.
everyone.
Bye.
Goodbye. And thank you for supporting us. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye-bye.